Hi friends, this is Sushil and welcome back to my channel Be Finovative. In today's session, we'll be talking about Equitas Small Finance Bank IPO, which is going to come from the 20th of October till the 22nd of October 2020. And we'll discuss about this IPO, fundamentals of the company, financials, and should you subscribe to this particular IPO or not. So Equitas Small Finance Bank is among the largest small finance bank in India in terms of the banking outlets, and is the second largest small finance bank in terms of the asset under management and total deposits, just behind the AU Small Finance Bank. Okay, the promoter for this bank is Equitas Holding Limited, which is already listed in the market. The company has a very diversified portfolio, starting from the small business loans, microfinancing, medium and small enterprises financing. Then they have the mortgage home loans. Okay, this company is going to come with an IPO as per the RBI norms, which says that after it has received the banking license, it has to go public within 3 years, and hence this IPO has been declared by the promoters. This IPO is a mix of offer for sale and also fresh issue of shares. The proceeds of the OFS will go to the banking promoters, which is not going to help the bank, but instead the fresh issue of shares will help the bank to meet its capital requirement for future. Compared to other small finance banks, what is special about this particular Equities Small Finance Bank is that due to its diversified portfolio, which has its presence in all the segments, the risk of getting impacted because of one segment is very less. The other small financing bank has high exposure to the microfinancing sector, but the bank has made sure that the exposure to the microfinancing is less, and also made sure that they have diversified by entering into all the segments of the loans which is available in the market. So the objective of this particular IPO is that the promoter has to reduce the particular shareholding, and also bank has decided to go for a fresh issue to meet their capital requirements. From the financial perspective, from the 2017 year onwards, the company has been generating a very good amount of revenue year by year, and also the net profit has increased exponentially from 2018 till 2020. Talking about the IPO details, the IPO is going to start from the 20th of October and will be open till 22nd of October 2020. The issue price with a lower band of 32 and an upper band of 33, having a face value of 10. The retail category allocation which has been kept in this particular IPO is 35%. The minimum lot that has to be subscribed is 450 shares, which corresponds to 14,850 rupees. The share is going to be listed in NSE and as well as on the BSE. The expected listing date of this particular IPO is the 2nd November 2020. In terms of the valuation of the price band that has been set for this particular IPO, it is very well reasonably priced. The question is whether you should subscribe to this particular IPO or not. I have mentioned that this particular SFB, that is Small Finance Bank, is the largest in terms of the banking outlets, is the second largest in terms of the asset under management. It has a very well diversified portfolio. The fundamentals are good, the financials are really good, but it does have its own demerits, because small financing bank is such a sector which has a very strong competitors, which has highly unsecured loans, and more important, the expected listing date of this particular small financing bank is on the November 2nd, 2020, which is the day prior to the US elections. The market is going to be highly volatile. We might see a very good correction in the market. And considering all this, my verdict would be to stay away from this particular IPO. Let it get listed in the NSE and BSE exchanges. Then, if you're looking for a long-term holding, then you can take a position in this particular share after it's listed. The only reason that I would say to stay away from this particular IPO is for the reason that this particular IPO is coming in a situation where the US elections are very much near, and the volatility is going to be very high. So I hope that this particular video was helpful for you. And in case you have any doubts, please feel free to comment and I would be happy to respond. And happy investing. Stay safe. Thank you.